Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 6, Lesson 11. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to add a multiple of 10 to any two-digit number within 100. So looking at this, we have 50 plus 40. Now, I'm going to show the decomposing strategy. So looking at this, 51 plus 40. The first step that we have to do is that we have to do the 10 way of the number that has tens and ones. Well, 51 has 5 tens and 1 1. But 40 only had 4 tens, didn't have any ones. So we couldn't break that one apart. But we can do 51 into 5 tens, which is 50 and 1. So now I'm going to add, I'm going to put the 50 on this side and the 1 on the other just to make it easier to add. So now I'm going to add my 50 and my 40 together. Well, I know that 50 plus 40 is 90 because 5 tens plus 4 tens equals 9 tens. Then we have to add the 0 in the ones place. Now I'm going to add 90 and 1 together. 90 plus 1 is 91. Okay, I can also check with a picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm going to count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. Check is 91. Now if we look, we have this little number sentence at the bottom. Well, I know that my number sentence is going to be what I added together, that 50 plus 40, which is this 90. So I'm going to put 90 and then 1. Well, we knew that it was 91. Alright guys, that's it for this video.